Pasensya na sa ingay ng aso namin. Let's see our green area at the back. So this is my kamote. Tinanim ko siya for almost October, November, December, January, almost 3 months. And okay, ayan siya. So I guess it's already reached the peak of maturity. See, I've already seen flowers. So sabi, we have to remove the flowers para mag-focus siya sa kanyang laman. So let's remove this. And then once nag-yellow na daw ang mga dahon nito, it's ready for the harvest. So for now, yan na muna, and then I will just keep you updates once mag-harvest na tayo. Tingnan natin if magkakaroon ng laman ang ating kamote. Okay, bye for now.